Alright, we're going to look at replacing the V6 main body with this V6 main body and screw service assembly. Let's see what's in the box. We've got again some instructions, the same as where we replace a battery. We have desiccants, nothing else in the box. Okay, we've got the main body as well. Look at that, nice and fresh. Okay, this is 7 steps. So that's what the kit contains. Step 1, remove the canister. No, that's actually a tool. Goes in to release the, cyclone bit, the drum, and you have to remove the battery. Dispose of thoughtfully, put the battery back in, click it together, and put the canister back in. Alright. So, 1, 2, remove that main body. Now, this tool that slides up in there. Oh, look at that. That's all it was. Literally just pries it open, pushes those 2 pins together. If you're wondering how it works, squeezes those 2 together. That's pretty clever. See, I reckon that's half the problem there. Look at all that dust in there. That's probably the first thing that I'd want to change. I'd want to clean. Anyway, we'll follow these instructions. We then undo the screws for the battery. Slide the battery out of the old body, battery into the new body, screws back in, put the top end in first, and then click. Easy. Put the main canister back in. That's embarrassing. And away we go. Done. So let's just recap, shall we? My Dyson was under warranty, so I got these parts for nothing. They said they'd send me out a new battery, although it's usually not the battery. It was flashing 10 times with a red flashing light there. All research on the internet and all of the correspondence that I've had with the lovely people at Dyson have said that it was a battery. But, no, sorry, under the 10 flashes, that means it's one of these. It's the main body. That's the fault, not battery. Battery is when that light flashes 30-something times red. Mine was only flashing 10 times. So what we did was replace the battery. It was working again. Perfect. Not satisfied with that, I went and replaced the body anyway because, hey, I got it. When I took this off, you can see in there the dust that's on these two terminals. Now, I would say that is exactly what the problem is. So if you are having this problem and you're not in warranty, batteries like this are available online for, say, $40. A genuine one, they said to me, was around $80 plus shipping for a genuine Dyson one. And this main body was something like $115 or $120 plus shipping, again from Dyson. I would strongly suggest pulling it all apart, checking out where these terminals are. I mean, for all I know, this could probably even work still. No, you see it's flashing 10 times again. But it's only 10 times, which means this. Look, there could be another problem there that I'm not realizing, but it did work with the new battery. So it's just strange. Anyway, I hope this video has been helpful, at least showing you how to pull the two units apart and replace the battery unit and replace the main body unit if you need to do that.